Gravity is a fundamental force that governs the universe. It is the invisible hand that shapes the cosmos, influencing the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies. Without gravity, the universe as we know it would not exist. It's what keeps our feet planted on the ground and prevents us from floating away. Every step we take, every jump we make, is a testament to the Earth's gravitational pull. This force is so constant and reliable that we often take it for granted. Earth has a strong gravitational pull because of its mass. The larger the mass of an object, the stronger its gravitational force. This is why smaller celestial bodies, like the Moon, have weaker gravity compared to Earth. This pull affects everything on the planet, from the oceans to the atmosphere. It causes the tides to rise and fall, influences weather patterns, and even affects the way our bodies function. Without gravity, our world would be a vastly different place. Objects would float aimlessly, and life as we know it would be impossible. Astronauts in space experience this firsthand, as they float in a microgravity environment. Gravity is also responsible for the Earth's orbit around the Sun. This gravitational dance ensures that our planet remains at a stable distance from the Sun, providing the right conditions for life to thrive. Just as the Earth pulls on us, the Sun's gravity pulls on the Earth, keeping us in a stable orbit. This interaction is a delicate balance, a cosmic choreography that has been ongoing for billions of years. This delicate balance is essential for life as we know it. It ensures that our planet remains in the habitable zone, where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. Without this balance, life on Earth would not be possible. If Earth were to suddenly lose its gravity, the effects would be immediate and catastrophic. Objects would no longer be held down. People, cars, buildings, everything would simply float away. The atmosphere, no longer bound by gravity, would dissipate into space. The oceans, lakes, and rivers would also disappear. Water, like everything else, would be free from Earth's gravitational pull. Without gravity to hold it down, the water would drift off into space as vapor. The Earth would quickly become a barren, airless, and waterless wasteland. Humans and animals adapted to live within Earth's gravity would face insurmountable challenges. The absence of gravity would fundamentally alter the way we live and function. Our bodies rely on gravity for numerous functions. From maintaining our posture to ensuring proper blood circulation, gravity is essential. Without it, our muscles would atrophy and our bones would weaken. Astronauts in space have to exercise rigorously to combat these effects, but even then, it's a constant battle. Circulatory systems, designed to work against gravity, would be thrown into disarray. Blood flow would become erratic, leading to potential health issues that we are only beginning to understand. Animals that rely on gravity for movement, like birds and insects, would be unable to fly or crawl. Their entire way of life would be disrupted, making survival nearly impossible. Aquatic life would be equally disadvantaged, as buoyancy would have no meaning without gravity to define it. Fish and other marine creatures would struggle to navigate and find food. The delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems would collapse. Every species, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, would be affected, leading to a chain reaction of ecological disasters. Section 4. A world without form, Earth and its orbit. Earth itself would undergo a dramatic transformation. The planet's spherical shape is a result of gravity pulling its mass towards the center. Without this inward pull, Earth would lose its shape and begin to break apart. The Moon, no longer held in orbit by Earth's gravity, would drift away. The same fate would befall satellites and other objects orbiting our planet. Earth would become a rogue planet, hurtling through space without a gravitational anchor. Section 5. Energy and the future. A universe without gravity? Imagine a world where gravity, the force that holds everything together, suddenly vanished. The loss of gravity would have profound implications for energy systems. Our current energy infrastructure is deeply intertwined with the presence of gravity. Hydroelectric dams, reliant on gravity to generate power, would cease to function. The water that flows through these dams, turning turbines to produce electricity, would no longer be pulled downwards. Fossil fuel-based systems, while less directly affected, would face challenges in a world without a stable atmosphere and infrastructure. The combustion process might still occur, but the distribution of fuel and the stability of power plants would be compromised. The very fabric of the universe, held together by the fundamental forces of physics, would be disrupted. Stars, planets, and galaxies are all bound by gravity, and without it, they would drift apart. Gravity is one of these forces, and its disappearance would have unpredictable and potentially catastrophic consequences for the cosmos. Black holes, which rely on intense gravitational pull, would no longer exist. While the complete loss of gravity is a theoretical concept, it highlights the crucial role this invisible force plays in our existence. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, gravity is the glue that holds the universe together. Its absence would mean a complete redefinition of the laws of physics as we know them.